Hey, good morning. So I wanted to show off my sweater. Get the holiday sweater going. And today's casual day at work, so I'm rocking my raccoon sweater. Yes. Who do you know has a raccoon sweater? That would be me. Don't be jealous. So I got a package from my best friend. It's got my birthday. It's my birthday. So adorable. That's why every woman needs a gay guy best friend. Adorable. And the rest of this is Christmas. I don't know what it is. No idea. And oh, I love the wrapping. It's so cute. With the card, with the shiny bow. Aww. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. You guys see that? Oh, that's so cute. So I'll put that on my tree. Then my package from Amazon came in. So I got this, I don't know if you guys could see, this humidifier type thing. So I'm gonna try that tonight and see if it helps my eye. And it changes rainbow colors. You guys use these? I mean, I live in a freaking desert now, and it is really, really dry during the winter. So I'm gonna try that tonight and see how it is. Yay! And hopefully my eye is better. Okay, so here it is all plugged in and everything. The bed's right here. And I usually sleep on that side, so see what colors it has. Ooh, that didn't really change. Wow. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. It looks aqua on the screen, but it's definitely green. That's yellow. No, that's yellow. Is that white? Red. Off. Purple. Lavender, blue, light blue, green, yellow. I think I like the red. Might as well go for the holidays, right? So. Okay, while I'm thinking about it, I'm going to show you the dress I picked out for New Year's. I bought two, and the other one's the black and gold. I don't really care for it, but I got this one. It's like a gunmetal kind. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be so nice on New Year's. Yay, New Year's Eve. Definitely have to go out this year since I'm turning 40 at the end of the year. Oh my god, 40. So, got this. Working on shoes and a bag, so it'll be good. We'll see. You guys will get to see since I'll be doing Vlogmas, right? So, I'm probably going to end this vlog a little bit early. I'm exhausted. And I'm going to go take a bath. Go treat my hair. Yes, I got some things I want to try. This slate's so dry. And see if this thing helps my eye. It's like really dry in the morning and I can't really see. Not a good combination with it still being dark on my way to work. So anyways, I will talk to you guys later. See you tomorrow. See you Saturday, right? Yay, no work. Woohoo! Talk to you guys later. Bye.